What happened if you microwave a kiwi? That shall I see in this video. This is channel 4300. 5 minutes. Not even 1 minute has gone and it already sound. But it smells some. Not very great smell. It survived. But it don't look weird. What happened with the kiwi when it be microwave? This. It look almost the same. But not very great. Ow, hot, 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 hot. Yet hot, 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 hot. Ow, 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 ow. Much better. It is not hard anymore. It is some old swamp. Smoky swamp is this almost some. This is what happens if you microwave a kiwi. This kommer bli hot, 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 hot. I wonder what it tastes. It tastes weird. It tastes som kiwi and maybe something else. I'm not sure what it tasted. It tastes lite som kiwi and slime maybe. So yeah, it worked to microwave kiwi, but it don't be very great. It tastes som lite kiwi and maybe cooked kiwis or fruit or something. Yeah. No, this is want. Not very great. This is for this video. Feel free to subscribe for more things to future. And microwave kiwi is not very great. No, we know it. And yeah, bye for now. Bye!